In front of me is OUKITEL WP35, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. Begin by opening your keyboard and clicking on the microphone icon at the top right corner. If you can't see it, select this gear one instead. Tap on voice typing and activate it by tapping on this switcher. Then go back to your keyboard and click on visible microphone. If you never used it before, hit while using the app in the pop-up and start typing. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you want to stop, you can simply stop typing or click on the same icon of a microphone again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!